I pass a test for smoker's cough. My lungs are black, my liver's soft. Pepto-Bismol, gargling salt. I can't go back, it's my own damn fault. Stay out late, I never sleep. I don't care, I hardly eat. Crack cocaine and sleeping pills. Restless nights for short-lived thrills. The moon comes out from silver night. It's hard to speak, it's hard to write. So damn drunk, I think I might wish upon a star tonight. I met a gal, oh what's her name? I don't care, it's just a game. It's nice to be appreciated, or at least just tolerated. These women are a drug, you know. High comes on and then it goes. Slowing down is midnight rider. Whiskey glass, caught big black spider. Next in line, gin and tonic. Wake up in a pool of vomit. Milk crate tables, 2x4s. Dripping faucets, broken doors. Moldy dishes, busted chair. Yellow walls and messy hair. Don't get phone calls, got no phone. I don't get visitors, got no home. And poetry is my only friend. Pad, the paper, and the pen. Poetry, my only friend. The pad, the paper, and the pen.